I'm Brian with AllGuard Windows and Doors, and we're in beautiful northern Colorado on site doing a nail fin installation. Check it out. So to start it off, we're going to extract the window and the existing trim. We're going to remove the current nail fin, inspect the cavity for any rot, mold, or mildew, vacuum out any dirt and debris. We'll then install a flashing tape or a membrane tape on the inside cavity as well as the outside sheathing. The new window will get inserted with a caulk bead behind the nail fin. This is called wet setting. We'll then anchor the new window, check for level, plumb, and square, install the new trim, as well as apply insulation foam and a nice clean caulk bead on the exterior and the interior to finish it off. And there you have it. That's a nail fin installation method. Please don't hesitate to direct any questions or if you need further clarification to your consultant.